Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn English with Fun! Today we're going to learn daily routine sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I woke up in the morning. Repeat after me, everyone.
I woke up in the morning.
Then I brushed my teeth.
Then I brushed my teeth.
I washed my face.
I wash my face.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I learn English.
I learn English.
And I play with my friends.
And I play with my friends.
I came home.
I came home.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
My snacks.
I eat my snacks.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Yay! I have dinner.
I have dinner.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I go to bed. Good night.
Good night. I go to bed.
Good job, everyone. Now you know your daily routine in English. Remember, practice every day makes you perfect. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Bye.